This is the beginning, hopefully not of a tornado. Sirens went off twice now, then they go off again. The TV just said it should be McHenry, Johnsburg by about 8:05, and you can hear other sirens going off right now. You hear a lot of sirens going off. This is the front porch. Just consistent lightning. Way over there. Never seen lightning just that fast. Just one after the other. Pretty crazy. It's very calm. There's absolutely almost zero wind. And it's silent. You can barely hear anything. Alright, I'll check back in later. Oh, there go the sirens. And the wind's picking up.